And my favorite natural gas is now again trading bullish. It has started the day on a bullish note and now has seen 3.52 levels. Now, what to expect? Can we expect it to rally again? Can we expect it to rise towards 3.6, 3.8 zone today itself? Or there is a possibility of a retracement on the downside? Which position you should take? Trading net gas today. We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Remember, we have been bullish on net gas since long. I have been always mentioning you to buy the dip and expect it to rise and rally towards 4.4 levels. This has been long now. Now, whether today is the day it is going to achieve those levels or is it going to take time? Let's see. But before that, yes, if you appreciate the effort, do like, do share, subscribe, and comment, friends. Your every like, share, subscribe, and comment is a great support, great motivation, great inspiration for me to deliver to the best of my ability. Now, let's look at the hourly chart. See, first of all, 3.4 levels, 3.38 levels is now the support level here. With that as support, we can see the divergence in the net gas prices. Also, the body size is consistently increasing, and also the 3.52 levels are a great resistance here. So once you see net gas is staying above 3.52, this price has to be above 3.52. We can look forward to 3.6 and 3.66 levels. Yes, it can show you further rise. It can give you further breakout if it stays above 3.52 levels. You can definitely expect 3.56 and 6 levels here as the next target, and beyond that more bullishness may prevail. Now also on the early charts below 3.4, 3.8, 3.3 is the strongest resistance here. It should not break any time below 3.3, 3.28 levels, because that is the point below which we can say that the bears might take over. Else what will happen, even if it has to retrace, it can retrace a little towards 3.4 and really on the upside. If you look at the stochastic, this is overbought. MACD is divergent. MACD is bullish. Now this is something which is of slight concern, and this is continuing on the upside strongly. See, this is the waves it is trying to create, and the top of this is somewhere here at around 80. From there, the drop can be expected. If you look at historical movements in net gas, see plus 60, great resistance, plus 60, great resistance, and plus 60, great resistance and a reversal. Then now it has again come to plus 60 levels, which is definitely a great resistance. And at current levels, a bit of caution need to be exercised at around 3.5 to 3.56 levels. These may remain a greater resistance. RSI is also overbought here. Coming to 2 on the 2-hour charts, the moving averages are looking upwards. The prices are divergent from the moving average. Yes, it has a potential to in fact achieve 3.56, 3.6 zone before looking forward to any downside. This is also equally probable. But yes, the sharper the rise will be, the stronger the drop is going to be, and hence you have to be careful here. Stochastic overbought, MACD is divergent, MACD is bullish, and remember it has achieved close to 80 to 100 levels, which is the extreme. Now, in my weekly review, I have very clearly mentioned that there is a probability that it can achieve higher highs before retracing, but a retracement is must, a slight retracement towards 3.4, 3.3. In fact, for the lower levels is possible, and as long as 3.05, 3.02 zone is respected for the week, for the month, we can expect a stronger recovery and a bounce back in net gas. It is still staying bullish. We can expect a possible highs at around 3.56, 3.6. RSI is staying overbought. Coming to 3. Likewise, on the 3-hour charts, after getting the support here, it is trying to give a breakout. It can scale up towards 3.56, 3.6 zone, and more bullishness, in fact, can take it further highs. The support levels at 3.4, 3.38, very, very strong. 3.3, 3.28, again, a very strong support levels. Moving average, 20 period is going to be the support here, which is right now sitting at around 3.3. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent, MACD bullish. See, it has come to 120 levels, and it can continue further. Right now it appears. RSI is overbought, extremely overbought. Coming to 4-hour, same with 4-hour charts, trying to rise. Yes, beyond 3.52, you can initiate a buying entry. This price above 3.52, we can expect 3.56, 3.6 zone as a great resistance and an achievable levels. Again, the same support levels will come into picture. Stochastic is overbought. MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI is also overbought. Now look at the daily charts. See, on the daily charts, one important point is, see, here and here bullishness was diminished. Here again the candle is outside Bollinger Bands, and even if it stretches outside, there should be a pullback later. The stronger the rise here, the sharper will be the pullback. That is also very much clear. And in fact, even if it shows a pullback, see, it tries to fall down within the Bollinger Bands. 3.4 and 3.3 levels are going to remain major support here. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent. MACD is trading with extreme divergence, extreme bullishness, looking vertically upwards. It can continue further upwards as well. RSI is overbought here. Looking at this, I will recommend you to buy here at 3.52, but then remember 3.56, 3.6 levels are the greatest resistance. Achieving those levels, it can try to show a pullback. Else, there is also one more probability that achieving the highs, as what we have discussed in our weekly charts. 3.6 and 3.8 zone is greater resistance. Even if it tries to achieve these highs in the next couple of days, that is today and tomorrow, we can see a possible pullback towards 3.4, 3.3 zone as well. And these are going to remain a greater support on the downside. So yes, a sell entry at 3.45 to be taken here, which will take it till towards 3.4 first target, 3.3, 3.28 as the next target, and then 3.2 levels. Even if you see it dropping towards 3, that is also will call, see, every drop will call for an opportunity to rise, but not today, because if it tries to retrace from today, that is again going to take couple of candles for it to achieve the bottom and bounce back. Right now, it appears to be bullish. I expect it to achieve at least 3.56 and 3.6 zone. So take your positions accordingly. Buy at 3.52, sell at 3.45. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. And yes, if you appreciate the effort, do like, share, subscribe, and comment. And my 26th mentorship batch is going to start on 16th of October now. Remember, equip yourself with the tools, techniques, and strategies which can help you become a profitable trader. Reach out to me for more details on the mentorship batch. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Do press the bell icon and join my free Telegram channel to get the live updates